Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can blur your background in Videoleap app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Videoleap app, and once your Videoleap app gets opened up, simply select a project, and once you are done with it, you will end up in this kind of page. Now all you need to do is simply tap on the video and tap on the AI effects option. After this you will end up here, so from the option select AI selfies. After you do this, select the custom option and here type in blur the background and press on the tick mark option. So in matter of seconds it will show its magic and the background from your video or your photo will get automatically blurred, or the front or view will be more precise and brighter. So this is how you blur the background in the Videoleap app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.